This video covers what you need to know about building extensions, including when using a non-Lumen vendor. Once service has been delivered to the building, additional work may be required to extend service from the building's entry point to the floor, room, or suite. To do this, you'll need to know where service enters the building and ensure that you have access to the entry point. If the building has several floors, typically the entry point will be found in the basement or first floor. If the business is in a plaza, for example, it is often centrally located. The property manager or building maintenance can help locate the access points. In multi-story buildings, risers, which use vertical cabling and carry service between floors, are typically located in either closets or IT equipment rooms. On each floor, horizontal cabling connects the risers to rooms and suites. You can choose to have Lumen do this work, or you may engage another vendor. If you elect to use Lumen to do the building extension, we will help ensure that the extension is complete prior to our engineer activating service. If not already included in your order, this work would need to be added and there would be additional costs. If you're in a building where the property manager already has a preferred vendor for extensions, you'll need to work within their rules. Here are a few things to keep in mind about building extensions. The larger the building, the more complex the extension work. This work can typically take a while to coordinate, and it requires approval from the property manager. There are additional costs associated with extension work that will need to be taken into consideration. The extension may be fiber or copper cabling. If it's fiber, verify if it's single or multi-mode and make sure it matches what's in the notification that you received. If it's copper, please be mindful of the distance your service requires. Please be aware that fiber is used when service spans longer distances. If changes are required at a later time, they can cause delays and lead to additional costs. Keep in mind, if you elect to have a non-Lumen vendor complete the building extension, there are a few additional items you should be aware of. You will need to manage and coordinate the extension work until it is complete. Plan to schedule the work to begin shortly after Lumen delivers service to the building's entry point. Finally, billing begins upon delivery of service, whether the extension is complete or not. Understanding your location's requirements and equipment will set you up for success with the building's extension. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.